Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Bang & Olufsen BEOPLAY H9i wireless Bluetooth headphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these headphones are not connecting to your phone or other device, or they're not pairing with Bluetooth, or if they keep disconnecting, any issues like that can very often be fixed with a factory reset. The other reason you might want to do this is if you just want to, for whatever reason, delete all the pairing history off of it, all the settings off of it, so that you can basically have them back to the way they were when they were new, so you can set them up new. It's really easy to do. All we need to do first of all is make sure we have a decent charge on these headphones and then turn them on and leave them on for a few seconds. Once we do that, then we're just going to come in here on this switch and we're going to push it over to the Bluetooth side and hold it there. And while we hold it there, we're going to keep an eye on the indicator light. So we're going to hold it here for about 10 seconds until we see this light blink red for 2 seconds, which will indicate that the reset has been completed, at which point we can release the button, and now these headphones are ready to be set up as a brand new set of headphones.